You meticulously fine-tune your media strategy, optimizing placements, audiences, and bidding. But without great creative, even the best media plans fall short. In fact, according to Kantar, creative quality accounts for 49% of brand impact in campaigns. So to unlock full performance potential, media and creative must work hand in hand. And that's where our creative analysis tool Resonance comes in, ensuring your content is optimized for attention, comprehension, and recall before you even have to invest in paid media. In this video, I'll show you what Resonance is, how it works, and help you understand how you can incorporate it into your workflow. Resonance takes the guesswork out of creative performance. Using AI, it analyzes your ad before it even launches, predicting how your audience will engage. It provides a comprehensive breakdown of key creative elements, giving you clear, actionable insights to help you refine your media strategy. So how does it all work? Let's break it down into 3 steps. Your ad competes with endless distractions. If you don't capture attention within the first second, your audience is going to scroll past. But with Resonance, it uses AI-powered eye tracking and cognitive load analysis to predict where your audience attention will go and what they will ignore. If key creative elements like your CTA or your brand logo aren't standing out, Resonance will detect that and provide you with visual and hierarchical optimizations to make sure that your messaging lands instantly and your brand is remembered. For this example, we're using a video ad to demonstrate how Resonance evaluates an ad based off of attention, cognitive load, engagement, and memory, pinpointing exactly where your ad is the strongest and where it may need some refinement. Resonance is able to break it down frame by frame, using AI-powered biometric analysis to predict how your audience will engage with your ad. It tracks where attention is focused, how much cognitive effort is required to understand your content, and predicts what moments are most likely to be remembered. We can also visualize these insights in multiple ways. So, for example, using the static social ad, the heat map highlights where your users are naturally focusing, where on the inverse, the fog map reveals what areas of your ad are being overlooked or not seen by your audience. Attention means nothing, though, if your message isn't clear. Resonance analyzes your copy, making sure it's direct, persuasive, and easy to comprehend, leaving no room for confusion. Beyond what's being said, how it's said matters. Emotion is what makes an ad memorable, whether it excites, inspires, or reassures. With Resonance, it analyzes the emotional sentiment of your ad, making sure that you connect with your audience the way that you intend. First, Resonance identifies the core themes of your messaging, surfacing the key topics and how they support the overall narrative. This helps determine whether your ad's focus is in alignment with brand objectives or audience expectations. Next, Resonance analyzes the rhetoric and sentiment of your ad, analyzing how persuasive and emotionally engaging your messaging is. It detects whether your tone is confident, urgent, reassuring, or neutral, ensuring it drives the intended response. Finally, Resonance assesses topic clarity, flagging key phrases that are overly complex, vague, or not aligned with your intent. If certain phrases create ambiguity or cognitive friction, Resonance highlights opportunities to refine your messaging for clarity and engagement. Now that we've seen how Resonance analyzes the visuals and copy of your ad, the next step is applying these insights to refine your strategy before you launch. Resonance doesn't just identify areas for creative improvement. It provides a roadmap for media and creative alignment. Unlike traditional A/B testing, which only tells you what worked after your campaign ran, Resonance predicts performance before it launches. And it tells you why. If attention is strongest in the first few seconds of a video, that insight can be used to make creative edits or inform how you approach media. If messaging clarity or emotional tone need refinements, the edit can be made to the copy itself or how you deliver your ad to your audience. These insights allow your creative and media teams to work in sync, ensuring every element of your campaign is optimized before you launch. Ready to bring data-driven intelligence to your creative and media strategy? Let's talk about how Resonance can help you maximize the performance of your next campaign.